What's up, my fearless adventurers? Welcome back to the channel that's all about capturing the wildest moments of your life. I'm super stoked to bring you today's video, where we'll be counting down the top 5 best action cameras of 2023. Get ready for some mind-blowing footage and epic camera features that'll make your jaw drop. Let's dive right in. Kicking off our list at number 5, GoPro Hero 11, we have the GoPro Hero 11 Black. This bad boy is the perfect companion for all your adrenaline-fueled adventures. With its ultra-smooth stabilization and mind-boggling 8K video capabilities, you'll feel like a true action movie star. And guess what? The Hero 11 also packs some serious speed with its lightning-fast performance. Say goodbye to lag and hello to action-packed memories. Coming in hot at number 4, DJI Osmo Action 3. We have the DJI Osmo Action 3. This camera is a beast when it comes to capturing jaw-dropping footage. Equipped with a rock-solid image stabilization system and an upgraded sensor, the DJI Osmo Action 3 delivers stunningly clear and vibrant visuals. It's also built tough to withstand your wildest adventures. So go ahead and take this bad boy to the extremes. Next up at number 3, Sony RXO 3. Don't let its compact size fool you. This camera is a powerhouse. With its impressive low-light performance and advanced image quality, the RXO 3 takes your action shots to the next level. It's also waterproof, shockproof, and crushproof, making it the ultimate companion for the thrill seekers out there. Get ready to capture the impossible with this little beast. Sliding into our runner-up spot at number 2, Insta361R Twin Edition. This camera takes versatility to a whole new level. The 1R Twin Edition features interchangeable lens modules, allowing you to switch between a 360-degree camera and an action camera with just a snap. With its superb image quality and intelligent editing capabilities, you can unleash your creativity like never before. Get ready for mind-bending shots that'll leave your viewers speechless. And finally, claiming the crown at number 1, GoPro Max 360 is the, drumroll, please, the GoPro Max 360. This camera is an absolute game-changer. With its mind-blowing 360-degree capabilities, you can capture every angle of your action-packed adventures. The Max 360 also boasts impressive image stabilization, crystal-clear audio, and powerful editing tools. It's like having a Hollywood production crew in the palm of your hand. Get ready to take your content to the next dimension. And there you have it, my fearless friends, the top 5 best action cameras of 2023. These cameras will not only document your wildest moments but elevate them to legendary status. If you want to be on the cutting edge of action photography, make sure to check the description below for links to grab these beasts. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and remember, life is one big action movie, so keep pushing your limits and capturing those heart-pounding moments. Until next time, stay fearless and keep creating. If you want to buy any product, the Amazon link is the description and comments. Check it out now. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.